In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Instagram and Facebook step by step. Whether you're a beginner looking to expand your store's reach on social media, or you simply want to make it easier for customers to discover and buy your products directly from posts, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you avoid any login issues. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and head to the left-hand menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Apps. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this is where the connection process begins. Next, click on the search bar inside the Apps section and type in Facebook and Instagram. You'll see several options that help you connect your Shopify store with Meta's platforms, but you'll want to select the official Facebook and Instagram app. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be beginner-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store, have access to your business Facebook account, and confirm that your Facebook page and Instagram account are already set up and linked to your business. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary setup issues later on. Once you install the app, it will open directly inside your Shopify dashboard. From here, log in using your Facebook account that's connected to your business page. After that, you'll be guided through syncing your product catalog and choosing which assets, like pages and ad accounts, you want to connect. You should now be able to sync products automatically and start showcasing them on Instagram and Facebook without interruptions. It's also a good idea to review your product approvals and catalog status inside the app. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and your products appear correctly to potential customers. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect Shopify with Instagram and Facebook easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be wanting to grow their store through social media. Why not make someone's day easier?